Welcome to the 2023 Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. Here with Jeremy from Skipper Bud's North Point Yacht Center. And capitalizing on the popularity of the 48 LS, probably our most sold out unit. Tiara came up with a new vision. It made its soft premiere this last summer, running on the same hull surface, combining the dayboat luxury and performance of the aforementioned and transforming it into almost a hybrid of it. A dayboat and express cruiser all wrapped into one in the new 48 LE. Let's go take a look. As we step aboard the balcony here, we can see she's powered by a triple 600 package and a power rotating bench seat, as you can see here. Allows us to stop wherever we'd like. If I want to face the kiddos jumping off the stern, or pardon me, not the stern, but off the balcony, you can do that. Of course, face aft in a Mediterranean lounge style. All the while, I still keep the use and function of my outdoor cooktop. Quick access to the trunk. And of course, the whole of it would open up to showcase its massive storage. Jumping into the salon here, you can see that this boat opens seamlessly from the cockpit to the salon while maintaining a 360 view. Tons of seating and keeping the whole of the party together. Wonderful for our seasonal climates where I can simply close her off. The weather just gets too nasty. But even for our southern climates where it just gets too darn hot and we need a place to retreat, this boat creates quite a bit more versatility. A neat new clever design here allows your first mate or family members or whomever to sit forward. When I need to create more seat around our dinette, there's a simple trigger that I can push here to release this. And slide that seat forward to create a large seating area. Let's check out the quarters. As we go below, your owner's suite is forward in this boat, an island berth, and tons of storage. And in more of a sport boat, lower profile, sleek looking unit, it is an immense amount of space and storage that you won't find anywhere else in class, all the while reaching speeds into the mid-50s. A full standing head for the master, a separate shower, and moving aft, we see a second head, your day head, also with a separate shower, unheard of in sport boat class. Another new and very, very clever design, as opposed to two split bunks with a simple fill-in. These units can be split apart or drawn together once again by releasing a simple trigger, as you can see right here. You hear it click. And this is how we slide this unit back and forth to create a queen setting as opposed to splits. This is definitely a boat to check out. They've sold a ton, and for good reason. It meets so many unique characteristics to give you the best of all worlds in both cruising, performance, entertainment, and outdoor seating. Give us a call today for more information or to take your own in-person tour of one of these gorgeous 48 LEs.